How to record WhatsApp video call with audio. Open WhatsApp application and select the chat that you want to do the video call with, and at the top you can see the video call icon. You just have to tap on that video call icon and start video calling this person. So once you do video call to that person, you need to open the notification bar at the top of the screen, and from here you can easily find out the screen recording. You just have to tap on that screen recording. You need to tap and hold that screen recording, and you can also record microphone sound and the record system sound as well of your choice. And once you have done that, toggle on both the option. You can easily record WhatsApp video call with audio. So that's how we can do it. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.